You know us for our split flap displays, but this one's different. Introducing our first all-color analog display. Meet Chroma Flap. Handcrafted to captivate and transform lobbies into immersive sensory experiences. With 50 customizable printed colors and new advanced animations, Chroma Flap brings motion and mood together, creating dynamic visual experiences. Or blending seamlessly into the environment. Our newest feature, Pixelator, located on Portal, allows you to drag and drop any image onto a Chroma Flap. In a world flooded with digital light, Chroma Flap reminds us of the beauty of the tangible. From the classic split flap to a display of pure color and motion, this is more than a display. This is a kinetic canvas. The next chapter in analog innovation starts here. Chroma Flap, the kinetic canvas.